Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, inspect the pan for chips and dry it. Once done, set the burner to low or medium. Visions handles steady heat best. Add oil or a small amount of liquid before the pan gets hot. This creates a buffer layer and prevents sticking. Make sure to preheat gradually for 1 to 2 minutes, watching for shimmer. If you need higher heat, increase it in steps. This protects the glass ceramic and ensures even cooking without stress. You continue by adjusting heat for the task. Start medium for searing, then lower to maintain an even temperature. This prevents hot spots and cracking. Once food browns, add liquids and cover to convert to gentle simmer. This extracts flavor and keeps moisture. Use a silicone or wooden spatula to protect the surface. Avoid metal scrapers. If moving to the oven, make sure preheated oven temperature matches what Visions tolerates, and transfer the pan slowly so thermal stress is minimized. You finish by deglazing while the pan is warm to lift fond and enrich sauces. Scrape gently. Once off heat, let the cookware cool on the counter until lukewarm before washing to avoid thermal shock. Wash by hand with a soft sponge and mild detergent. Avoid abrasive pads. For storage, stack with protection between lids. If something goes wrong, like visible cracking or sudden clouding, stop using the piece immediately and inspect closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.